Hello Kraft team, in this video we shall be making this beautiful, quick and easy knotted headband. Let's get crafting. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So for our project today, we'll be needing some items, very few items for this quick and easy headband. We'll need our scissors, we'll be needing our thread and needle, we'll be needing our tape, and of course we'll need our fabric. For today, I'll be working with Scuba fabric. You can use any fabric of choice. So for our measurement, I'll be using 20 inches length because it's for a baby. So for an adult, you use head circumference plus 6 or 7 inches extra. For the width, I'll be using 6 inches width. So depending how you want your knot to be, you can increase the size of your width to get a bigger knot. But for the head circumference and plus 6 inches, that's the measurement for an adult. But for the baby, I'm using 20 inches length. So my fabric, my scuba fabric, does not have a wrong or good side, so any side will make do for the work. So I'll just fold in half widthwise and sew along the length part. I'm done sewing, so I'll just turn it over to the other side, which will be my good side now. So this will be my right side of the fabric. I'll just turn it over, then we get to work. So now that I've turned over my fabric, the sewn part will be placed at the middle. You can use iron to press it down to straighten your fabric. So the sewn partner is the middle and is my wrong side. So with the wrong side facing me, I'll make a knot. Just easy, bring the two edges of the fabric together, make a knot. After making a knot, a loose knot, I will not tighten my knot, I'll just make a loose knot and ensure that the sewn center part aligns together. The good part aligns together facing you. Now this is my good part is facing me, aligned together. I don't have one side wrong side, one side good side. Both sides are good side facing me. So I'll now bring it together. Now when I join it together, now you see that the sewn part, which is our wrong part now, is outward. So I'll now sew. I use my needle and thread to sew off because it was too thick for my machine to sew. So if you're using any other fabric that you can use your machine to sew, you can as well sew with your sewing machine, or you can use your needle and thread the way I'm doing it now. So I'm done sewing to join it together. So keep watching to see how I'll ensure that I don't use any other fabric to cover up this part I just stitched together. Just watch to the end, you see how I'll cover it without using extra fabric to cover that joint part. If you've watched up to this point and you've not joined the crafting, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button. We're on a journey to 200 subscribers. Click on that subscribe button and let's get to 200 subscribers together. For more millinery tips, headwear tutorials, fashion accessories, DIYs, and many more to come. So after joining, I'll just turn my fabric. The wrong side now is inside. See, the joint part is inside. Then I'll gently move my knot over that point where I joined the fabric. So the knot, that's why we made a loose knot earlier. So just carefully manipulate the knot. The way I'm manipulating it, just move it from each side and manipulate and adjust it till your knot gets over that part where the fabric was joined. So your knot now directly sits on the joint area. So you don't need extra fabric with this way to cover your joining. so your knot covers it perfectly for you. So that is what I'm doing now. I'll just manipulate my knot gently over to where my joining is, and that is when, once I get it placed over my join, I will now tighten my knot by pulling both sides of the headband to tighten it. But until you get to that point, don't pull or don't tighten your knot. Just gently, gradually move it and move it till you get to that point. Once it's over your joint, your joining, you then pull together both the left and the right, and your knot will automatically tighten. Then you have your knotted headband. Quick, easy and simple for casual outings, casual day out. You get a fancy, beautiful, elegant turban for your baby, for yourself. You can make for yourself, for your baby, and you're looking fabulous. Like, even on a casual day, you're looking fabulous. And that's what we are here for you. We want all our ladies to slay and look fabulous. So whatever you think of this tutorial, please leave a comment on the comment section. So I've finally gotten over to my join part and I've tightened my knot. So see the final outcome. See how beautiful, quick and easy, but you have a beautiful and lovely turban for your baby girl, or you can make it for yourself. Whatever you think of this tutorial, please kindly leave a comment for me. Let me know what you want to see on the channel. Also leave a comment, let's know, so that we get to work around it. If you try this out, please follow us on Facebook, Ibisfyn Crafties. You can also join our group page, Ibisfyn Crafties Connect, so that you tag us with your finished work. Let's celebrate your work you're doing. Let's celebrate. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this, and also share this video so other persons too can have this idea and still make their own headband for their own babies or for themselves. Thank you for watching. Like I always say, anything you think, if you can think it, you can create it. So be creative. Till we meet in our next video, stay safe and bye.